Hey, Ashley, I need your help. Yesterday, someone asked me, "What did you do yesterday?" And I didn't know how to answer.
Really? You didn't know what to say?
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7. 0.
So, you woke up at 7?
I sat up in bed and stretched my arms.
Stretched? What does that mean?
Stretch means to extend your arms or body to relax your muscles.
Did you feel tired in the morning?
No, I slept well last night.
Sometimes I feel sleepy in the morning.
Then you should try stretching. It helps me feel awake and ready for the day. I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Brushed your teeth. Washed your face, easy to remember.
Brush means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Wash means to clean something, like your face, with water.
I wash my face with cold water.
Cold water? Isn't that too cold in the morning?
It makes me feel fresh.
Then I went back to my room and got dressed.
Did you wear something comfortable?
I chose a blue t-shirt and jeans. Get dressed means put on your clothes, right?
Did you wear your favorite t-shirt?
Yes, it's soft and comfortable. I made 2 slices of toast and a cup of coffee.
Toast? That's bread cooked in a toaster, right?
Yes, I put the bread in the toaster and waited.
Did it take long?
I forgot to check the toaster and the toast got burnt.
Burnt? What does that mean?
Burnt means cooked too much, blackened or dark brown.
And the coffee?
The coffee was perfect. Coffee means a hot drink made from coffee beans.
I put some butter on the toast and it tasted fine.
That gave me energy for the day. After breakfast, I walked to my class.
Was it far from your dorm?
Dorm means a student's room or building at a school or university.
I like walking in the morning.
Why do you like it?
Because I can feel the fresh air and see people starting their day.
Did you meet anyone on the way?
Yes, I saw my friend Emma. She said good morning and we talked for a minute.
In class, our teacher gave us a short story to read.
A story? Was it interesting?
Yes. It was simple but fun.
Did you enjoy it?
We read it first, then talked about it in small groups.
Did you speak a lot in your group?
A little, I shared my thoughts about the boy in the story.
What did you say about the boy?
I said he was kind and brave. At lunchtime, I went to the campus cafeteria.
Cafeteria? That's like a big dining hall, right?
Yes, cafeteria means a big dining hall where people can buy and eat food.
What did you have for lunch?
I ordered a chicken sandwich and salad, but they gave me tuna instead.
Oh, what did you do?
You didn't change it?
No, I didn't mind.
Then I stayed in the cafeteria to talk with friends.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our weekend plans.
What was John's funny story about?
It was about his cat knocking over a big glass of milk.
That sounds funny. Maybe I will go hiking with Emma.
That sounds fun. Yes, we laughed because John told a funny story. In the afternoon, I went to the library.
To study?
Yes, I wanted to work on a group project.
What subject was it for?
It's for my history class about ancient Egypt.
Did you find the books you needed?
Yes, I found some and took notes.
Did you work alone or with your group?
At first alone, then 2 group members joined me.
I stayed for about 2 hours.
After that, I went to my part-time job at the cafe.
What do you do there?
I serve coffee and snacks to customers.
Was it busy yesterday?
Yes, very busy. Many students came for coffee before evening classes.
Did you work alone?
No, I worked with my friend Sarah. We made a special hot chocolate with extra marshmallows.
Extra marshmallows? That sounds sweet.
The customer smiled and said, "Thank you many times. That must have felt nice." After work, I went to the gym.
What did you do at the gym?
I ran on the treadmill for 20 minutes. Treadmill means a running machine used indoors.
Did you run fast?
Not too fast, but enough to make me sweat.
Did you meet anyone there?
Yes, I saw a classmate I hadn't seen in a long time. After running, I did some stretching. After the gym, I went back to my dorm.
Were you tired?
A little. I decided to make pasta with tomato sauce.
Did you eat alone?
No, my roommate joined me. We cooked pasta and my roommate made salad.
Did you both enjoy it?
Yes, very good. We even had some garlic bread.
That makes the meal complete.
After dinner, I watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy. Very funny.
So you laughed a lot?
Yes. After the movie, I went to bed.
What time did you sleep?
Around 11. I felt happy because it was a sunny day.
I see. What did you do first?
It helps me feel awake and ready for the day.
That's nice. Sometimes I feel sleepy in the morning.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what did you do yesterday? And remember, we speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. See you next time.